Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create texture look in Photoshop with the help of smart filters. Now import your image into a Photoshop, convert the layer into a smart object, then go to the filter and add noise. Add grains for textures field, apply filter to soften stack, both has smart filters. Reduce the noise opacity through blending options. Mask out noise for skin or background. Add sharpening on top for contrast. Experiment with different amounts of grains. Adjust blur radius anytime. Use mask for selective textures control. Mixed grain with color lookup adjustments. Toggle filter to view difference.